I feel like I'm a lucky guy.
Why?
Just being around you that make me a lucky guy.
That's a very nice thing to say.
You look beautiful, Samantha.
Thank you. You don't look too bad yourself.
Thank you very much.
Whatever.
Whew.
So what happened? Like I know we're here to chill, but what happened at the office? It's been hot. Well, I have so much work to do. I haven't been in the office for a few days, but I heard about what's going on.
Talking about Nikki?
Yes, I am talking about what's going on with her, like with you and her.
I don't know. I mean, it's.
Are you still talking to her?
Nikki? I don't see Nikki. I mean, she still work with her? No. I heard she fought with Molina.
Yes.
Why? Why they fight?
Because of you. I heard you like the king of drama. I don't do
King
drama.
of drama?
I don't do that. Like,
I don't like drama, baby.
You cannot have girls fighting over you like that. No.
No, I heard they fought. Like, I don't know for.
But they fought about you. Cause I'm not fighting for you. I don't fight for guys. I'm not fighting for nobody.
No, babe, you're not gonna fight. I'm gonna fight for you.
I don't need you to fight for me, but at the same time,
to let you know, I mean, I ain't gonna let you fight nobody. You know, you're too special for that. Look at you.
Well, appreciate that, but at the same time, no, Cause when you guys broke up, did you guys break up for Nikki?
Actually, I don't. Let's not even give them so much value. Let's not even talk about this. Let's talk about us, because those people, they've been fighting for a reason. You know, I mean, they doing their job, then we doing our job, and we keep it very professional. And these girls, I don't know what they got into, man. You
don't know why?
I heard like they just, I don't know exactly. Like
I heard it was about you, John, but you know what? I'm gonna let it go. I just want to let you know I don't do drama.
I know.
If what we have here, if it works out, I'm expecting you to be on your best behavior. If that doesn't sound demeaning.
I behave well.
You behave well. Let's hope so.
Yeah, definitely. I can't help it, you know. I mean, it would be very hard for me like to actually see you, then still in a relationship with, you know, Molina. It's crazy.
Please don't tell me that's why you guys broke up, because that's not why you guys broke up.
No, I would not say that. I would no. I'm
a good girl, like.
Yeah, we all both.
I heard you guys were having your problems way before.
Yeah, definitely. Like
we start talking again. Like I heard you guys were having your own little problems.
Molina, I don't know. Like she been through a lot of things. Like she been out there party, then I think she got like many other guys.
Oh, you think she was shitting on you?
She's baby.
Oh, excuse me. Well, sorry to hear that.
Her mom don't like me.
Oh. My family love you, you know that.
Wow, it's crazy. Well, let's take a walk, you know. Yeah.
Okay, there will be no more date for a while, because I have so much work to do at the office. You're fine.
I will keep you.
Just no fighting.
No.
I'm down with you. Oh, hell no.
What she said?
Well, Lila.
Oh, you talking about me, Sherry?
Yes, oh my gosh. We. Mes amis, vini. Eti po time madam na here, we.
You won't believe who called me today. She called me talking about her man done hit her again. I'm so sick of these people. They always got their issues. They tell you later on. They don't tell you about it when you're in their face, but then all of a sudden when things are worse, then they want to tell you. I just don't get it. It's just ridiculous. I just put him back in my shit.
She's not gonna see us.
Yes, she is, bro. I cannot lose my job over this.
What's she doing there?
I don't know, but I don't want her to see us, and then she's the one that went and tell people from the office that she saw us.
Man, that lady, when I go over there, I mean, she be asking me the 99, 100 questions. No, I mean, like, she be all over. You
didn't tell her anything, right?
No, I ain't got nothing to tell her, no.
You do not tell her anything.
She's... I'm
so serious.
What? Me la parle avec tête lui, l'autre boy.
Mettez machine, m'a chercher machine, m'a back à la machine. On paquet machine boy ici, hein. Écoutez, ma vie machine là. Bon, moi là encore petit. M'a chercher machine dans bac à joindre ni. Vous entendez? M'a brûlé au bac. Non, bac à côté machine dans paquet. On connaît un paquet de machine c'est sous biche là là. Bon, moi là encore. Et qu'on a besoin de parler, il y a toujours des problèmes, il y a besoin de parler avec, il y a besoin même bac à joindre. Côté machine là, la machine là boy ici. Oui, mes amis. Oh, ma marcher sous bagay mon yo mes amis.
Wait till she's gone. Parce que I cannot risk her knowing about this, whatever that is. I don't want to tell anyone. Like I want to be the person to tell them.
Well, I mean, your way. You got my word.
My way or the highway.
Oh, ça fout bien là, hein? Et ma fille a serré.
Comment il est?
Quel respect pour tout là.
Et ma fille dans l'office là.
Comment il est?
Regarde. Bon, il paraît le petit film, like Lois Samantha.
Et boss, moi connais tout. Yo, moi connais tout. Qui mon lycée, hein?
What the heck you talking about, dog?
Comment c'est?
Ah, il pas bon même.
Il va pas marcher dans le beach là.
Chérie, je vais marcher, non pas c'est traîner, je tape traîner.
No, you were not.
Yes, I can even walk. You see?
You were just walking. What payment? Tu peux faire du job moi.
Chérie, pour ça que je viens dans l'office là. Depuis là ça, pas grand fonctionner comme même non.
Ou pas manger.
Peut-être ça va sous. Ou même dit là là que c'est faute. Moi, pas job moi. Et moi même cap défendre chaque jour. Moi même avec ménageur.
Et pas même qui petite madame.
Et employé.
En tout cas, c'est nous tous les deux.
Non, pas job moi. Chaque jour m'a défendre. Si ménageur, qu'aime bien faire ma chaque jour la prière, toujours bâti petit papier pour siéger les.
Monsieur.
Sérieux, monsieur.
Like she said, stop begging.
I'm not begging.
Like this guy, he gonna do whatever he wanna do for pas qui pour des michel quand nègre like.
En tout cas, qu'importe ça que parler ensemble avec Laurent parce que déjà qu'est-ce là déjà dans mes l'oreille, OK? Et pas moi même. Même pas qu'à faire dans son corps. Même pas qu'à dire qu'on peut que sans rien. Parce que tout ça on bien comme nous faire make sure nous fin gérer ou compagnon fin gérer.
Mais sous fait mentir, il y a bon là detective test oui.
Comment mentir?
Au cas l'hôpital ou sous ou pas dans prison on a des photos à Haïti oui.
Ou pas
il y a des photos à Haïti.
Ou pas bien? Ou pas bien? C'est très m'a traîner oui.
Mais monsieur, s'il vous plaît, je crois oui.
Well, I mean, let me tell you one thing though. I mean, ou capable faire l'argent quand nègre, c'est pas tout le monde qui a l'argent qui compte. You understand?
Boss man, I don't even know you, bro.
You don't know me.
I don't know why you're talking to me for, bro.
I'm John Carter. You don't know John Carter? Well, I mean, I'm talking about like you could do whatever. That's my girl right there.
Gangster star ça yo, qui pas bon. Ou aller ou faire mentir à déporter yo.
Got it.
Haïti va ou tourner.
I mean, you should like Google me. Like this is my girl, and something I do like while I mean, l'argent. Honey, I gotta talk to him.
No, you don't need to talk to this man.
Honey.
Listen here, babe. I like this here.
Buy me live my passion, buy me gonna stress out. Once somebody with me, who was really like stress free.
You cannot be stress free in life. Yeah. Just know things gonna happen. Like him, we know he's lying.
Yeah. Oh, it's been nice, baby.
Moi, tu l'as fait. Mais merci. M'te wala marché là-bas mentir. Il y a déporté. Haïtien toujours fait mentir. Sous besoin sous l'argent, yo tout besoin sous. M'bral pour un private detective.
I'm telling you, this guy cannot touch you. I will do anything, just anything. I don't want somebody to mess with you.
You're good. Don't worry about it. I got him. Like, ma point détective là, a observé riche, a prendre photo, a prendre vidéo.
Pourquoi je me suis couru derrière?
Il t'a couru?
Il a couru. Le bois je derrière, ouais, monsieur a couru.
Ouh, ma la prendre Georges. E va ka bon sal sa yo. Yap deporte la Haiti. E kes yo bezwen. Haiti toujou bezwen fè kes.
I'm telling you, like, this guy can say, like, whatever can say what happened, baby, like, keep up do shit. Because especially I see somebody like messing around with you. Oh my God! I mean, like this guy.
Don't worry about it. I can take care of him.
I'll do anything for you.
Well, thank you. Don't worry about him. Okay, I'll take care of him. Let's not talk about this vagabond.
Oh, okay.
Let's enjoy this, yo. Thank you for bringing me to the beach. I needed this.
I like seeing this view right there. I see the future.
What do you see?
What do I see?
Yeah.
I'm seeing like we're in the house. I see somebody like wake up. You know, avec moun sur
I don't want mumu.
No.
I want lingerie. Okay.
The laundry. Okay, so that's just about gun.
Most of the time.
Then what I see, more in the wall. Then I see like a picture that remember like the wedding, you know, dress on. I see some babies walking around. Baby.
Babies? I don't know. How many babies you want?
I want a lot.
Who gonna carry a lot of kids? You better call your buniki.
No. So you like a bonded to Abraham, I'll guard it because I'll guard this Sabio if you not well. Le compte à la multiplier. We're gonna have so much kids.
I want 2 kids. That's it.
2 kids.
Well, that's 1, but the most is 2. You okay with that?
Well, we think about it.
I don't want more than 2 kids, okay?
I feel so good.
Thanks for bringing me.
Let's go eat then.
Yeah, let's go eat then.
Hello? Yes. I'm at the beach. Oh, I'm with Sunshine. You remember her? Yeah. So I need to talk to her, so I'll call you later. Alright, bye.
Who's that?
Girl, you remember that boy, James? You remember him, right?
Fat dude? Yeah.
Yes. And you remember how old he looked like? This man won't stop calling me. He calls me every day, calling me beautiful. Like, he's sweet and everything, but you grown and you need to get yourself together before you could even try to holler at me because I'm too expensive for all of this. This man still lives with his parents. You're 35 years old with a baby mama. What am I gonna do with you? Manager at Walmart? Seriously? No.
Speaking of Walmart, girl, there's so much drama going on in my office. Well, my mom's office.
Really? Girl, tell me the juice.
We got boys working at Walmart, coming from Walmart, doing trash can at Walmart, all that.
Wow.
I ain't going back.
So you don't think of going back ever?
I might, but
just not right now?
I need to chill right now, you know? Ain't nobody know I'm at, girl.
What would your mom say?
I don't know. Last time I saw her, she was in the hospital.
Last time? And how long ago was that?
About a month ago.
A month ago, Sunshine? I think she's worried about you. She's worried. If I ever do that to my mom, I don't know, I would get it. I would seriously get it. My mom don't play.
There's a difference between you and I. You go behind your mom's back. I'm just real.
Hey! Pas chose de dernière fois, moi, je bat moi. Moi, tellement te bat moi, je t'ai oublié non. Oh non, pas capable. Pas capable. Je devais aller me battre. Caché, tout le monde mon Dieu, mieux. À l'église chaque dimanche. Oh!
Comment c'est, il y a Sunshine. Le monde dit, qu'est-ce que Sunshine là?
Maman, pas jamais mon Sunshine. Oh! Maman te dit, tu fais des ordres.
Pas bon.
Mes amis. What about your sister? Your sister.
What?
Your sister.
Girl, she's a lawyer. She good.
She don't call you?
She did, I ain't pick up.
Wow.
You like the food?
Yeah, it's good. Look at you getting some. You greedy. But it's good. I like this. So good. When this boy's gonna show up? We've been here waiting for so long.
What is the day?
She's gonna get a...
Mike! John! Whatever the hell your name is?
You know that?
Oh, yeah, her bottom ass. That's my mama's secretary.
Oh, Sunshine. What's up? How you doing?
What's up?
Hey.
Hey,
I didn't know that was you.
Yeah, that's me, honey. How are you doing? You look cute. What are you guys doing?
Just walking here. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice seeing you.
Oh, nice seeing you too. So, what are you guys doing? Like, is it a field trip or field day at the office or something? Private field day? A date?
No.
Well,
It's not a date. It's not a date. We just come to the beach because it's relaxed. I used to go to school with him, so we're catching up.
Catching up.
Yeah.
Okay. You see what we do now? The new thing is catching up.
Catching up.
With your manager's daughter's ex-boyfriend. That's what you're doing.
What?
You catch up.
well,
What?
Sunshine. I mean,
Well, it was nice seeing you, Sunshine.
Catch up, honey. Catch up. Catch up.
I mean, you're on vacation, right?
Too, bye.
Vacation?
Vacation.
Bye.
Catch up.
All right.
All
Let me
right.
catch up too. When those boys about to come. Girl, tell me the juice. What's going on?
Got
What you
it
mean
in.
catch up?
She is body.
Oh, I did.
They call me Sherry, girl. Let me use your phone.
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. You can.
Miss Sherry.
I want to know all about this juice. Ooh, what's gonna be the finale?
Miss Sherry, girl. Guess who I just seen at the beach? Catching up. Mike and Samantha. Catching up, girl. Well, that's a voicemail, so you thought it was funny. Call me back, girl. I'm back, by the way. Bye.
Oh my gosh, no. Chill. Don't touch me. She might be looking. Oh my God, she saw us. I just told you, I didn't want her to see
Everything
us.
happened for a good reason. Like,
Plutôt c'est Michel qui est actrice, il t'a fait des potas, il va t'accrocher lui. Mais tu fais ça toujours parler.
I mean, since they're going to get moon sauce and relax, just relax.
So annoying. Now she's gonna tell everyone at the office. They're gonna think I'm the one that's told you away from
No,
your
you don't.
ex.
I mean, I listen to my heart.
Okay.
Honey.
I can't
want
see
you
you
to
no
be-
more. Like,
Don't say that.
I
Toute bagaille qui
can't.
fait, you fait pour une raison.
okay, I gotta go. Well, you might right. Can we go, please? Let's go.
Good night, you guys.
Oh.
Bye.
Good night.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, see you.
Drive safe now.
Okay.
Everything is okay.
Somewhat.
I can't give you all the details right now, but just give me a few. I have to check this computer.
Okay, you sure everything is okay though?
Thank you.
Is there
Meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is there an office manager I can speak to?
Oh, you mean to see you? You to see me?
Yeah. Are you the office manager?
Oh, I think it's assistant manager. She's not here.
Puis mom te parle déjà, oui?
Pour qui sont ta goût avec les chiens?
Pour qui ça te parle au moins?
Ah, mais oui.
Mais c'est pas avoir des problèmes, ça a vraiment des problèmes là.
Excusez.
C'est ça qui fait toujours des problèmes là.
Okay,
Donc
you
toujours
guys,
ouais, tu regardes, ouais.
you guys listen.
Pour